It's time to learn how to read your MAP progress report. If you are measuring a child's height, you would use feet and inches. We're using RIT and Lexile to measure a child's ability in reading, math, and language. So the student RIT measurement is how tall the student measured when he tested using the MAP assessment. We then compare the district RIT, or how tall other students in the district measure in the same grade level. Those two scores are then compared with the nation of all the students who are taking the MAP assessment in the same grade level. That's called the norm RIT. Looking at the data on the screen, the student measured 187 RIT, while students in the district measured 213, but around the nation 216. In order to know how tall you measured on the chart, let's look and see how it works. There are 3 categories: fall, winter, and spring assessment, or beginning, mid, and end of year. The student's data that we're looking at, this student measured 187.6 for RIT. Well, 187 is between 2nd and 3rd grade. That means this student is measuring as tall as a 2nd or 3rd grader in the area of reading. Well, what would be the projected growth? By the second assessment, or the winter assessment, that student should now be measuring as tall as 184.2 RIT. By the end of the year, expected measurement should be 188.7 RIT. That's if the student truly tried his best to stand tall for the test. In addition to RIT, we also have the unit measurement Lexile. This student's Lexile level is between 483 and 633 on the Lexile chart. That lets us know what level of text to present to the child for him to be able to read and grow. Well, how does that convert to a grade level conversion? Let's look at the grade level conversion chart from Lexile to grade level to see what we can find out. The student's band is between 443 to 663. That's really reading on the 4th grade level. That's the level of text that the teacher will provide for the student. 4th grade level material. He or she can read that 100% with no problems. Last piece of information on the data would be the information table. It tells us the term tested, the grade that the child was registered in, the RIT measurement, how much growth there was, as well as what the projected growth was. Then it tells us the percentile ranking if we were to compare that particular child with the other children around the nation. So that's how you read your student progress growth report. Okay, so we have data. Now what? If you are measuring the same height and ability as your peers, that's great. If you're measuring below grade level and you would like some support, please reach out to Ms. Frazier, your RTI chair here at Cedar Grove High School. What we would like to do is to help you grow. And to do that, we need to find direct instructional strategies that will stretch you and help you measure higher and higher each time you take the MAP assessment. But first, we need accurate data. If you feel that you did not try your best, but you would like to know how tall you truly measure up on the scale of ability, please see Ms. Frazier for an opportunity to retake the MAP assessment. Remember, students, each test is important, whether you think you're getting the data back or not. Try your best because you want greatness by your name.